We are at the Chena Hot Springs in Chena, Alaska, and this is really cool. I thought it was going to be more of like a pool. Chena Hot Springs. Oh, this one's cool. Yeah.
It's a fundraiser for the fire department crest. The crest is such a small community.
You want to say something?
And every year we miss it.
Can you see me? We are at the Chena Hot Springs in Chena, Alaska, and this is really cool. I thought it was going to be more of like a pool, but it's really cool. It's really deep, as you can see. I'm on my tippy toes. And it's really, really hot. But feels pretty good. There's a nice breeze blowing, and yeah, really cool.
Beautiful day.
Beautiful day, yes.
All right, we are in the inside pool, which is, I think it's salt water, and it's normal, like a pool. It feels really good after going outside to the hot tub. So it's pretty nice here. Got a couple little hot tubs inside, got the big outdoor natural one, but it's pretty cool. I like it.
All right, we are done with the hot springs, and now we are going to go into the, what do they call it? An igloo? Ice cave? Ice cave. Ice museum. You can see it behind us there.
Yeah.
So we're going to go in there, and it's supposed to be around 25 degrees, 26 degrees inside.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to check it out and have a couple of appletinis. So.
Yeah.
Look that way. That's how you open it. Everybody in. Yeah. It's a lot bigger than it looks. And we're going. Keep on here. I'm going to reach up to everybody in there. There we go. Keep on. Keep on keeping on. There we go. Shut that door. 20-degree weather.
No, it's good in here, but not out there.
No. I mean, even in here, we still have all that overkill.
Oh.
World famous. One of these. He has created all of these pieces for your enjoyment. Some of them are over 20 years old, like the turret behind you. The turret is one of the first original pieces of outdoor attraction. For people that did not drink and people that did not want the opportunity, Coca-Cola was a bottle option. However, Coca-Cola doesn't explode when it's consumed and it stays what it is not. So every night, if we do not take out Coca-Cola, there'll be a huge...
I still can ask.
Why it's snowing? Yeah.
He said too many people could fit in here. Here. Wow, we're in an igloo.
There we are.
How cool. Oh.
There's multi-serve pizza.
Oh my gosh. Look at all these different rooms.
Remember the rooms? Where did they go? I told them that's a big ball.
Mm-hmm.
You going on?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think you're allowed.
Being that we're only like 250 miles away from the Russian border. Massachusetts. This is true. That's true. He used pocket. I see you there, sir. I work for Stitch and Lilo. They're my bosses. I get in trouble all the time from Stitch because I impersonate him too much and he gets mad at me. Barbados!
Is that it?
You know, the good thing about this kind of
It's the social time. This is the time you've been waiting for.
Cheers.
Put that much. Hey, hello. Hey. I know I put the small one up here because I was like, oh my god, it's so far over there, and then I forget. And I was like,
What do you think?
then I was like, Steve, can we just make one like right here?
It's no cucumber
No, I'm
martini,
busy.
but it's pretty good.
Who'd you call me? My name's Tom. It's backwards if you're dyslexic. Steve's the master of crafting.
Okay, Tom's
Is it good?
Yeah.
The temperature in here is a
good,
whopping 27 degrees at this moment.
All right, you gotta make a wish.
All right. You better be in front of the doors, he said.
perhaps a higher
Ready?
Make a wish.
All right, I did. Ready?
Mash it.
I would say, yeah, they're already here. So this is the
Yay, good job.
fireplace.
I'm gonna get bit. I don't care. Move a little bit.
Oh, there's people coming.
Oh, son of a bitch.
Look at him swimming. I told you there was moose down here. There is a bull moose right here in the pond behind our campsite. Here, I'll show you. Here's our campsite on that pond. And there's the moose on this pond. And he swam across this pond when we were pulling in tonight. He was over here on this side. And we actually seen him swim across the pond. kayaking, and there's a moose out here.
That's the same one, ain't it?
I think so. I know. He's not paying one bit attention to me. Jesse! Jesse, careful.
What's up, dude?
She sees there's a car up there.
Hi, baby. There looks like a beaver dam over there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Hey, I know you guys.
He's blue. Oh, I almost had him. He's not scared at all. That's crazy. We are in our canopy right now. Oh, he's going in the woods. He's going in the woods.
He's had enough of this shit.
Yeah, I
He's
told you that's
gone.
where he lived.
He gone.
Oh, man.
That was awesome. You got some good footage? Or
Yeah.
pictures or...
Yeah. Huh. Right here from our camp in our little tent. Freaking moose walking through the water. How cool. I think that's a beaver swimming across the pond. Good morning once again. It is June 25th. And we are heading out of this beautiful spot we've been at for the last 3 nights. We have thoroughly enjoyed ourselves here, right outside the Chena Hot Springs. So we went up and visited that and did some relaxing, did some kayaking with some moose, with a moose.
Hey, moose.
Seen a bald eagle last night, swoop down and try and get some fish out of the pond. And so we're getting ready to hit the road and head down towards Anchorage. And so I'm going to show you around our spot here a little bit, and we'll see you down the road. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Give us a thumbs up. Tell a friend.
And don't leave just yet. Stay tuned at the end of the video for some more pictures, some drone footage, and a blooper.
Remember, life's a blessing.
So enjoy the journey.